What inspired you to start this business?
You see, we are basically Marwadi people, and we have started all this business thinking how to create a growth without thinking about the profit. And we multiply the people along with their strength and see that we bring the business for the our own growth as well as our country growth. I started my business in age of 16. Initially, I gone for the manufacturing, spin, put up a spin mill, copper foil plant, as well as marble shop. Along with that, I just put my all the efforts for the financial field, for creating the research report, as well as creating the analysis to how to give debt equity to all the big company. My first client was Binani Cement, then HFCL Himachal Futuristic, Jayaprakash Industry, then all the steel industry when they were going in a big problems. So I given lot of research report and all how to come out. I also try to give lot of reports on the food and the food supply chain, where at present government is giving food or wheat and on the ration basis. So I just taken out the details given to government instead of giving the subsidy against the in ration. Why don't you directly give the money? At present, you are buying the wheat in 5 to 6 rupees when the 20% losses on the way and so many things and lot of pilferage and everything taking place and the cost to the use at the ration shop is 27 rupees. Instead of giving 5 7 rupees, you are buying straightway, go to the give the farmer and open the market and give money directly to the consumers or BPL and all these things. This all this advice I given to the government and they very seriously. I met the finance secretary that time, Mr. Mittal, and so many people. I did all these things. At present, I am working on a project that is workforce management. I've joined hand with the company called Imtech. And the Imtech company is basically Muscat and the USA base. And all the research work been taking place at Bangalore. More than 500 people are working. And we have come out with the solution. It's like a watch which is having all kind of feature like video, recording, attendance, and if they want to 8 hours where they are working, every control of this municipality, the person was supposed to go 9 o'clock and they do this specific work. So accordingly, they reach there. All the things parameter has been controlled. We have given this first product we have given to Nagpur. More than 8,000 watches has been given from last 4 years. The Nagpur is a number one city, one of the number one cleanest city coming under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Same thing we have given to Pune, we have given to New Bombay, now Chandigarh, now the trial is going on Gurugram. We also come out with a vehicle tracking system where how to save the diesel, how to monitor the driver, how to monitor the maintenance of the trucks. We have given around 400 system in Lucknow. Every day they used to consume more than 28 lakhs rupees on diesel. Now their budget is come down to 7.5 lakh rupees only. 20 lakh rupees they are saving now. We are giving this same product along with our watches and the system, vehicle tracking system to Kanpur also. At present, we are going into this kind of business, how to engage more and more people along with my company. Uh, at present, more than 100 people are already working, and our target is around 1,000 people in 1 year to join hand with our company. My company name is Erigo Multi Ventures Private Limited. Along with that, side by side, I'm looking after the financial analysis because after the lockdown, the economy is gone in a very bad phase. And how to save the industry, how to save the employment. So many industries are facing problems, big financially problems. How to guide them, saving the banking also, saving the industry also, and employment also. At present, I'm working on two fields. One is the finance, another is the equipment software, which will be required for the larger industry, which will be required for the municipalities, which is required for the university, hospitals, everywhere, where the efficiency of everybody, which is at present around 20 to 30%, will increase to 70 to 80%. Our main partners, we are just going everything through the PSUs helping us like Bessel, Railtel, TCIL, all are part and parcel of our company now.
So you are more into financial services or manufacturing?
Both the things, financial services already doing in a big way. And this business I'm working from last 1 year. Ultimately, we have gone in a larger scale already. Number of places like Gurugram, Chandigarh, Kanpur, Lucknow, and we are working on Bangalore. All these places I'm doing it.
So which services you are providing in the financial services?
For in that, I just do the equity, merger, acquisition, and the combined with the debt profile, with the debt also. We advise for the debt also.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
What are the
Unique strengths, USPs.
what?
आपकी
At present, we are having more than 20 people are working with us. 5 are the chartered accountant, big background with the financial field. Five people are the engineers. They understand the industry. And we are also having number of the people who analyze, the analysts coming from the IIM, Ahmedabad, IIT, around 20 people are supporting me in this field. Along with that, we are from time to time we take the advice of other company like Mahesh Singhi and Associates in Bombay. So we both the team join together and we work, analyze, then we go ahead.
So what have been the major achievements of your company?
My major achievement of the company that developed this biggest achievement was in 2004 when British Integrated Steel Company was going in a very big problems and all. We had tried to arrange the fund from the London-based company Stamford and see that the company has come out from all the problems. We have helped the steel industry was going in 2008, 98, sorry, 98, 99 steel industry was going a very big problem. So our team has created a solution which was good for the banks as well as the all the industry, steel industry. So our team has played a very major role where in that time the bank had not lost lot of things as steel industry was still running and doing their work.
How do you look at the opportunities?
Just a minute. What is it?
How do you look at the opportunities?
At present, in today's time, you are asking? Are you asking today?
Yeah.
You see, after the lockdown, the economy is in a very bad shape, but this is the right time also for the industry if they consolidate, analyze their problems, then something can be done. And we are really feeling this is the biggest opportunity for the financial field as well as this Erigo multi-venture where we are working for software and all. The financial field, a lot of companies are going for one-time settlement, restructuring, reorganizing, merger. So this is the biggest opportunity what I think for our company now. And we are doing with for the number of projects like merger, number of people, the foreign investment like to come to, but they don't want to buy the company. They want to invest in the company in steel sector as well as the chemical sector. So we are working on that. I feel this is the biggest opportunity we should not leave.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
My team is a really dedicated teams. They are working like a family, and they are not thinking because my what we are doing, whatever we are earning, it is of everybody. It is not one man. I'm not the owner of the company. Everybody is the owner of the company. So everybody, whatever fees or whatever we are getting, whatever the compensation we are getting, we all distribute among ourselves according to their work. And my team decide who will get what. So it is a joint efforts of 20 people, and we are very happy. And this team is working from. I'm connected with this team from 1995.
Would you like to give the names of your blue chip clients?
My client's name at present I'm and working for Jayaprakash also. We are working for uh, two builders like Siddha Builders. Then in Calcutta, I'm working for the jute mills, how to restructure the jute mills, which is in a very bad shape, how to modernize the jute mills and all. Then some of the hotels projects which they are want to bring a lot of investment because the lockdown, DB Realty is one of our client. So we are trying to restructure, try to bring a lot of fund from outside because they are having 2, 3 hotels, which is in lockdown working 10%. How to create, restructure, good for the bank as well as some investor come in. So the projects should not go bad. We are working on this 5 projects at present.
How did you move from financial sector to manufacturing?
Just earlier, I was running a spinning mill. My base is running a spinning mill. I created a copper file plant in 91 to 95. I was the only manufacturers for copper foil for PCB lamination and fifth in the world. But because of the our scale was very small, and I had to compete with the Mitsubishi, Mitsui, and Chinese company. Because of that, and government policy had changed and free import and everything. So I have to shut down that unit. But I was the successfully implemented in-house Make in India. All the technology they were asking the cost more than $10 million for transfer the technology. Everything we developed in '91, and I was running the factory up to 2002. But because of the policies and all, I have to close down that unit. I was exporting to Korea, Taiwan, uh, Japan, all these places, the copper foil.
What
So
are
at
your
present, because of all these things, what are the?
what are your suggestions to the government to improve economy?
So this is the time, first of all, we have to understand our banking system. Generally, banks are giving the loan up to for manufacturing 5 years to 7 years. The tenure should be not less than 20 years because 2 to 3 years take time to establish the company. 6 to 8 months or 1 year take time to establish in the market. And the loan is at present they are giving for 7 years, 2 years moratorium. In that case, on third year, I have to generate the profit and pay the principal also. So if my rate of interest is 12% per annum and 20% if I pay in 5 years, 20% per year, it means I have to earn 30% profit, which is impossible in today's market. In all over the world, Europe and all these places, our banking system, loan system for term loan should not be less than 15 to 20 years. And at present, the biggest problem with the industry is up to September, October, we have given the moratorium. So nobody realized that. Now everything combined together. So we cannot ask government to waive up the interest and all, but give the longer time to re-establish. If they are restructuring for 5 years or 3 years, should be 10 to 15 years, definitely. With the stringent rules and regulation, that promoters should not run away from their commitments.
What is the
And what is it?
what is the secret of your success?
Sir, I just try to learn from everybody. I just started my career in age of 16. Earlier, I put myself for the manufacturing, so I myself go down to the floor for this putting the machine. From the erection level to running the machine, I did myself. When I came into the financial field, I went to the all the chartered accountants, ex-bankers, sit down with them, learn. Then I have been all over the world, discuss with the people. I realized the biggest success of the economy at present to give a longer time with this stringent rule. Select the proper promoter. Whatever the promoter did earlier, siphon of the money and all, this is the biggest problem. Stringent rules, longer time, then industry will come. And because of practical knowledge I taken from different field, work more than 20 hours, 19 hours a day. I'm 65 at present, still I'm working 20 hours a day. Definitely going through all the rules, regulation, meeting the right kind of people, taking advice and try to implement. At present, I'm not working for money or anything. I want to want to work for the country, want to work for the people, want to work for the economy. New industry should come because this heredity I got from my grandfather. He was a freedom fighter. He was the MLA and MLC up to 52 years, become first time MLA in 1937. and he was up to 72, played a very important role in politics and freedom. So that thing has come to me also. And I feel that I want something happen to this, good happen to the country, and we come out with the economic situation which is very bad. We should come out, and the government is really supporting, helping us. And my request to the government, only one, how to increase the timing, the repayment timing to increase, and analyze the promoter who is behind the project.
What is your advice for the young businessman?
This is the time. This is young for the young businessman. This is the time because earlier, at present, there's some restriction because of COVID and 19 and all these things. So whatever they can do at home and try to how to connect all the people and create the some kind of innovation because they are saving a lot of time. Earlier, young businessmen, young entrepreneurs, they used to spend a lot of time outing or spending times going here and there. This is the biggest opportunity to utilize every single minute and come out with a new idea, new product, which is basically requirement. We have to learn from Japan, we have to learn from China, we learn from other developing country. They were nothing, and we are having 35% young children. Our average rate age is less than 20, 35 years. And the young generation, very talented people now. All the young entrepreneurs put their all the efforts and don't waste, they should not waste the time and come out with the new ideas, creative, wonderful group with the, use the, at present with Zoom is there, आज के दिन में जूम है, इतनी फैसिलिटीज है, उसको यूज करके एक नया प्रोडक्ट लेके आए. मैं तो और जो टाइम इधर उधर वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, दे आर वेस्टिंग द टाइम watching the TV and all, instead of doing that, create something in-house, utilize the time.
Any other important point or highlight or story you may like to share?
Basically, our young generation, the people who have just come out from the college, schools, so this is the time, my sincere advice to them, to see that how to create, when they are at home, how to create a wonderful family atmosphere within the house. Earlier, everybody is out. Father is one place, mother is one place, children is one place. Now this is the time they are all living together. How to create a wonderful family, understanding between them, and learn from each other, from older people, from the younger people, children, to how to create a family. When we are able to create a family, we can create a nation.
What is your business philosophy?
My business philosophy is hardworking, honesty, and I feel that nothing is impossible. Impossible means I am possible. When any problem comes, solution is there around. We have to just see and find the solution like computer until we put our question properly, all the answers are coming out. So nothing is impossible. All problem has a solution. कभी किसी को हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. और अपने लिए तो करना ही है, अपने बगल में जो भी स्टाफ है चाहे फैमिली है उनको किस तरह से मोटिवेट करें, हाउ टू मोटिवेट देम टू मेक फैमिली. इफ यू मेक द फैमिली यू मेक कंट्री.
बहुत बढ़िया आपने बताया।
थैंक यू.
आप और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो यही बोलूंगा कि क्रिएट योर फैमिली. सब लोगों को अभी मौका है, कोविड ने हमें एक मौका दिया है फैमिली को एक दूसरे को जानने के लिए. अभी सब लोग बिजी थे, जब से कंप्यूटर आया है, फोन आए हैं. व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग एट द टेबल वी आर पासिंग ऑन द मैसेज, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग, वी आर सेंडिंग द मैसेज थ्रू द व्हाट्सएप एंड कॉल, टॉकिंग. अभी इतना बढ़िया मौका है एक फैमिली बनाने का. कोविड नुकसान तो किया ही है, लेकिन उससे फायदा लेना है, ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज, कि किस तरीके से हम अपने एक फैमिली को जाने. कई बार जो बड़े बड़े ऑफिसर्स हैं जो 60 बजे तक सुबह से शाम गवर्नमेंट में काम कर रहे हैं या कहीं काम कर रहे हैं, सुबह 8 बजे काम के लिए निकलते हैं, रात को 9-10 बजे आते हैं, उनको पता ही नहीं बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, उनकी क्या डिमांड है, वो क्या सोचते हैं, पेरेंट्स के बाद में उनकी क्या सोच है. जब वो रिटायर होके घर आते हैं तब फादर को लगता है कि ये मेरा बच्चा है या मेरा बेटा है, ये मेरे ये है, उनकी ये डिमांड है, उनकी सोच है, इनको हमको इतनी टाइम बचपन में नहीं दी थी. बच्चों को लगता है कि हमको तो माँ बाप ने टाइम ही नहीं दी, जबकि पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि हमने इन बच्चों की जिंदगी के लिए हम अपनी जिंदगी खराब कर दें, इनकी जिंदगी बनानी है. तो ये गैप दूर होना चाहिए. कोविड ने मौका दिया है चिल्ड्रंस को, माँ बाप को समझना चाहिए कि हाउ दे आर फेस एंड ब्रिंगिंग देम अप. एंड नाउ द चिल्ड्रन ड्यूटी ट्रीट देम लाइक अ चाइल्ड. पहले वो बच्चा, पहले जो बच्चे थे वो बच्चे थे, अब रिटायरमेंट के बाद अपने पिता को, माता को, बुजुर्गों को बच्चों की तरह ट्रीट करें, जैसे वो अपने बच्चों को ट्रीट करते हैं. इस समय उनको डिस्कार्ड कर देते हैं, उनके साथ में बड़े गंदे बिहेव करते हैं, उनके सेक्रीफाइस को जोक बनाते हैं. कोविड ने मौका दिया, इसको छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. क्रिएट फैमिली.
बहुत अच्छी बातचीत हुई आपसे।
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू
हम
सर.
आपसे बात
आपने
करेंगे।